What if I say
I know, you know. What if I told you I like you?